Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a soap specifically for acne prone skin. This is a very simple and easy to make soap which anyone can make and use and see the benefits on their skin. It really helps a lot to get rid of acne, any type of skin problem, eczema, itchy skin. It helps with all these problems on the skin. So we are going to start with the making of this very simple and easy to make soap. It's a neem and tea tree soap that we are making today. For that we are going to be using our goat milk soap base. This is a very good base for sensitive skin, to soften your skin, to moisten your skin and keep it hydrated. So here we have taken our goat milk soap base and we will first go ahead and melt down the soap base. Okay, so I've gone ahead and melted this base here, and this is how it looks after it's been melted. Okay, so now in this base, once it's completely melted, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of our neem powder, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. And as you all know, neem is a very good antiseptic ingredient, antibacterial ingredient, which helps to get rid of acne, any type of skin related problems, itchy skin, flaky skin, to give you a good clear complexion, skin complexion. So it is going to help with all these things. So we well combined our neem powder into our base, and now to further enhance this soap, we are going to be adding a few drops of tea tree essential oil. Again, tea tree is very good for acne, breakouts on the skin. It helps to treat all these skin related problems and gives you a flawless and a clear complexion. So we've gone ahead and added our essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and now we'll go ahead and pour this into our mold. And now to remove all the air bubbles that are on top, we will just spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol. So you can see all the air bubbles have completely gone off once we spray this. And we'll keep this now to cool down, and I'll show you all how the soap turns out once we unmold it. Okay, so we've gone ahead and unmolded our neem soap, neem and tea tree soap, and this is how the soap looks. And this is a very good soap for cleansing your skin, for giving you a clear complexion, for helping you get rid of that acne and pimples on your skin. So please do try this out for people who have this problem. Try this out and see how effective it is. And if you do like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends as well. And also for any workshop details, you can contact me on the number that's given in the description box. In case if you want to join the any type of workshops like the melt and pour, I do take a lot of skincare workshops, so you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.